All right, these will be the elevators here at the SeaPark garage, downtown Seattle. We got some Dover traditionals here.
I think the highest you can go is like 6 or something.
Well, let's try. Yeah, sounds right.
All right.
Oh, these have bumpers too.
Nice.
Traflomatic. Do you know what year this garage was built?
No clue. Something tells me late 90s.
I'm thinking more late 80s, early 90s.
Or maybe something tells me either mid 90s, late 90s. Something just tells me 90s about these.
Okay. Believe what you want. 6?
Yeah.
What floor?
5.
5.
Yeah, this car was broken for like about a year and they finally fixed it.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. When me and Tyler came here, that other one was the only one working, and this one was just in between floors, indicator out.
Wow.
I don't know if the other one has bumpers, though. I think this might be the only car with bumpers.
Well, let's go back down to 1. And before we go back down to 1, let me demonstrate them.
Yeah, I would guess mid to late 80s on this.
I don't know, I might be able to look it up. I think Seattle does have a city records, but it's just a pain to search stuff up, because it gives you every, like, equipment thing for the building, you can't just directly search the elevators. So,
We'll give these one more ride.
I wouldn't bother with the other one.
Okay.
It's the same.
Honestly, this is proving to be a pretty good trip, I gotta say, riding lots of cool stuff today. You can see Columbia Center over there, and now that it's starting to get dark, it's all nice and lit up.
Yep.
Alright, we will get off here. There it goes.